Hi, this is the Home and Ideas channel that discusses ideas regarding home decor and design. In this video, you will see some of the best curtain designs for bedrooms of various models, colors, patterns, and trends. The bedroom is a private space in our homes where we can truly express our individual preferences. Our personal tastes are reflected in the choice of colors, textures, shapes, and patterns. As a result, curtains play a vital role in bedroom decor. Dressing the bedroom window can be a challenging endeavor. Numerous factors must be considered, such as the window's shape, the size of the room, and the decision between blinds or curtains. By following the 5 guidelines provided below, you can ensure that you properly address your window's privacy needs. When it comes to achieving attractive and ornamental curtains, it is crucial to consider the aspect of shape. Just like the overall decor, there are specific fabrics that are suitable for winter and others that are more fitting for summer. Therefore, it is necessary to select different fabrics for each season. High-quality blinds not only provide the functionality of light filtration but also come in a wide variety of designs and fabrics to choose from. A fundamental principle to keep in mind before making a curtain selection is to carefully assess the style of the bedroom. The curtains should align with the existing color palette and the overall decor style. And finally, you can see pictures of sample curtains for bedrooms in the next session as your ideas and inspiration.